So this is what it looks like from standing on top of our live truck. If I had to guess, I'd say there are 5,000 people out here, but we're gonna try to get more accurate numbers from DPS. Very peaceful and friendly crowd. I only got yelled at once for not doing a story in South Dakota, I think. But other than that, all is good. A lot of different groups out here, you know, with one message of unity, really. So you see groups out here, veterans, you'll see moms groups, Planned Parenthood groups are out here. It doesn't seem to matter, you know, what the cause is that they're supporting. They do seem to have at least a togetherness of unity. There are a lot of anti-Trump folks out here with their signs. You know, just given the climate of the political year that we're going into, a lot of people have fear. And so this is their way of demonstrating that they have concerns. So it looks like the march is starting to get underway. It's just really backlogged. So that's why they're going really slow. But they're going to be walking around the entire Capitol. They are moving towards the east right now, slowly but surely making their way down the streets. Earlier they were chanting march, march, and all fired up and ready to go. A very spirited crowd. To think just a few years ago I was working at a magazine, never in my wildest dreams would I ever think that I would be standing on top of a news live truck surrounded by thousands of people, including Sean McLaughlin. And bringing you this incredible story that's unfolding right now in downtown Phoenix.